welcome to Medical Dialogues, your daily dose of health and medical news. I'm Roshni there. Let's look at today's top headlines. MBBS abroad not advisable for lower middle class Indians. MBBS abroad may not be a good option for lower and middle class Indians, a recent paper penned down by the National Medical Commission members has pointed out. The paper titled Seeking Graduation in Medical Colleges Outside India. Is it a win-win situation or lose-lose situation for the stakeholders and the nation, written by the president of UG Medical Education Board of NMC, Dr. Aruna Vanikar, and 3 other members of the UG MEB, has been published in the National Medical Journal of India. Seeking graduation in medical colleges outside India may not be advisable for those from the middle-low income group of the India, the authors have noted in their article. Mysore Medical College and Research Institute resident doctors go on strike over salaries COVID-19 grant. The resident doctors of Mysore Medical College and Research Institute have threatened to go on a hunger strike demanding timely release of salaries without any cuts. The doctors, who have launched an indefinite strike from Thursday in support of their demands, said they got salary for the month of September but with a deduction of Rs 15,000. The PG's monthly salary is 50,000, but 35,000 was credited into their accounts, which was given as a part of allowance for discharging COVID-19 duties. Vacant MDS seats, Health Ministry lowers cutoff by 23 percentile. In a major update for PG medical aspirants seeking admissions this academic year, it is hereby notified that the NEET MDS 2021 qualifying cutoff has been lowered by 23.029 percentile for each category. The qualifying percentile for the NEET MDS 2021 has been lowered from 50 to 26.97 for the general category, bringing the score from 259 to 185 marks. Ahmednagar Civil Hospital staff start indefinite strike. All the 50 doctors and the entire team of 180 nurses, along with all paramedical staff of the civil hospital, started an indefinite strike on Wednesday, paralyzing OPD services and elective surgeries. Only the emergency services were rendered by the doctors and nurses at the hospital. This comes after an outrage among the medical fraternity of Ahmednagar following the arrest of medical officer Dr. Vishakha Shinde and 3 staff nurses of Ahmednagar Civil Hospital in connection with the death of 11 COVID-19 patients at the hospital's ICU following a fire on November 6th. Pharma firms see government nod to hike drug prices by 20%. In the view of unprecedented crisis faced by India pharmaceutical firms due to the tremendous escalation of input costs, a lobby group that represents over 1,000 Indian pharmaceutical manufacturers has sought the government to allow drug makers to increase prices of all non-scheduled pharmaceuticals by 20%. Non-scheduled medications are currently allowed a maximum annual price rise of 10%. That's all for today. Thank you.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.